Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your Apple ID is active and signed in on the device you plan to use. Open Settings and tap your name, then tap iCloud. Turn Mail on so iCloud can manage your messages. If you don't yet have an iCloud, address, follow the prompts to create one now, choose a handle you will recognize across accounts. Once done, give the system a moment to sync. New mailboxes can take a few minutes to appear. Next, you'll configure how Mail behaves so it fits your workflow. Open Mail settings and choose whether messages push instantly or fetch at intervals. Push saves time but can affect battery, so make sure to match your preference. Create folders and rules to auto-sort incoming mail, and add VIPs for top priority alerts. On Mac OS or iOS, adjust thread and preview options to speed scanning. Once configured, send a test email to confirm folders, flags, and sync are working as expected. Finish by locking down and verifying everything is synced. Turn on two-factor authentication and use a strong password. This protects both mail and other iCloud data. Check iCloud.com or another device to confirm sent messages and folders match. If mail does not appear, make sure you have network access, then toggle mail off in iCloud settings and back on, or reboot the device to force a resync. If issues persist,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.